Welcome to chemistry. Chemistry is the most challenging but most rewarding science. The reason why chemistry is challenging is that the concepts that we discuss are quite abstract. When I talk about gravity in physics, you can feel gravity, so that's easy to comprehend. When I talk about intermolecular and intramolecular forces in chemistry, or even electron configurations, SPDF configuration, that's a little bit more difficult to comprehend because it's abstract. You can't see it or feel it. That makes chemistry quite challenging. But if you are a person that can follow procedures and rules, then you might find chemistry quite straightforward. Because when we go into year 12, for example, talking about organic chemistry, all that is governed by is a set of rules that you follow. So if you can understand the procedures, chemistry becomes a little bit easier. The first module in year 11 is Properties and Structure of Matter, and that involves a lot of revision of the concepts that you might have actually come across in year 9 and 10. That includes things like chemical equations, chemical reactions, SPDF configurations, and the states of matter. In the second module, Introduction to Quantitative Chemistry, we learned the mole concept. The third module, Reactive Chemistry, deals with reactions in more detail that, again, you may have seen before. Decomposition reactions, precipitation reactions, and so on. And the last module in year 11 is Drivers of Reactions, where we introduce the concepts of enthalpy and entropy. In the year 12 course, about half of it is acid-base reactions and equilibrium reactions. The third module is Organic Chemistry, and the last module is Applying Chemical Ideas, which is a combination of all the concepts that you've been taught previously. As for the skills that you need in chemistry, firstly, you need perseverance. Sometimes chemical concepts are not immediately apparent and you have to work at it over a long period of time to finally understand it. Revision and constant application of the skills will get you to a level of understanding in chemistry. The second skill that you need is mathematical ability. In the new chemistry syllabus, there's more mathematics. You need to be able to rearrange equations, so algebra, quite well. And you also need to know about scientific notation. I always say that when a student doesn't apply themselves, the first subject that you'll notice it in is in chemistry, because you need to keep revising those concepts constantly and working steadily. Not working more than any other subject, but working steadily. So doing some chemistry each day so that you maintain the skills that you have learned. In terms of future careers, chemistry is extremely broad. So it is careers such as if you are going to go into a chemistry major or chemical engineering or other engineering degrees, even marine biology, which you'd think you would need biology, but you actually need chemistry, and that's often presumed knowledge if you want to do marine biology. Any other science degree would presume that you've taken chemistry, but there are a lot of other things that you should consider and thinking outside of the box. Anything to do with sports science or exercise science might require a degree of chemistry. A lawyer can take on cases where there is a significant scientific component. Even if you want to become a politician, so if you were going to be the science minister or the minister of innovation or something like that, chemistry is really crucial to understanding the process of science. As chemistry is a challenging subject, we usually only accept students who have received an A or a B in their ROSA in year 10. If you have achieved a C, you might find that chemistry is too challenging for you, so I strongly suggest that you come and have a discussion with me first before you put it down as one of your subject choices. If you are a capable science student, welcome aboard. It's not all about explosions, although we might do some of those, but you will enjoy the challenge of chemistry.